Hey guys, today I'll be making a jump pad. If you're wondering what is all this is all from the jump pad because I was already making the video and I failed multiple times, and now I think here's just going to be with the real video. So my intro, let's start. What is up guys, it's How to Tutorial, aka Mr. Family Friendly, and I'm going to be making some jump pads. So first what you want to do is make a base, make a pad and make sure it's color green, lime green. Insert and name and do all of these names and name all of this. Insert into that part named base you have inserted a folder and name the folder configure. In that configure folder, insert particle emitter, int value, and number value, and name them ThrustLifeTime, that's for the number value, jump height for the int value, and JumpPadDust with no spaces for the particle emitter. And for the for sound, name it active, and the sound ID will be in the description below. And script, we have done nothing yet. We're going to the script right now. So yeah. So let's start so you can close up the configure folder. So guys, go ahead and open up that script. Also guys, the jump pad model will be in the description. Open up the script, and the script will be in the description, and I have the script in my paste pads, my paste bin. So I'm gonna go to my paste bin. Alright, so let's go to my paste bin. Okay, now that I got it, I could ctrl-v and there. Alright guys, the script is in the description, and now all we need is alright guys, so now all you have to do is go to model, click spawn, put it here. You can decorate it how you want. I'm just gonna make mine transparency and ctrl extra detail, decal, and make it can't collide so you can go through. Alright, model is in the description guys, so let's play. Let's test it out. Oh guys, I just found a mistake. This is not supposed to be active, it's supposed to be activate. I'm so sorry. Also do this to jump pad. Hold up, do jump pad, do jump pad by then your name. For example, I'm just gonna make my name, and then after grab these two parts, 1, 2, and ctrl-G, and name it jump pads. Jump pad, not pads. Jump pad. So much mistakes already. There's not supposed to be a space between ThrustLifeTime, so just make that no space. Oh yeah guys, before we even test this out, make sure your jump value is 200 for jump height, and thrust lifetime is just going to be 1. There. Alright guys, now time to test it out. Oh. Woo! It works my So guys, it works. If it did not work, I don't know, then just use the model, my model, maybe that will work. And if it still does not work, maybe just comment down what type of scripts you did so I can check your errors or something. But that was very fast and quick and amazing. Script in the description, model in the description also, or it's just gonna be maybe model or script. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share. and comment down below what tutorial should I do next. Peace.